Hi guys, welcome to Epsons Pro. Welcome to another Shopify how-to video. And in this video, I'll show you guys how you can set up volume discount to your Shopify store and increase your average order value and increase overall sales of your Shopify store. And I'm going to show you a live store which we have recently completed for one of our clients, and we have tested that this feature is adding a lot more sales and a lot more orders, like increase of 10 to 20% if you implement this volume discount functionality. So as you can see on my store, I have this product where you can see it's saying 10% discount if you buy 2 and 20% discount if you buy 3. Now if I click on add to cart, you can see that it says $95, but when I increase the quantity, it's going to automatically add the discount. You can see now it's for 85.50, which is less than 10% of it. Now if I add 3 items to the cart, you can see that it has implemented 20% discount, and it is going to give you a lot more sales if you implement that. And if now I click on checkout, you can see that it's saying volume discount implemented and you are getting $57 less than what you'd be charged, right? So I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. And in order to add that, we will be using the app which we have developed just for you guys. The app name is called Big Bulk Discount, and this app is just $1.99 a month, and free trial is also available. So 7-day free trial if you think that this app can increase, or you can simply test it for 7 days, and if you measure that it is increasing the average order value or even increasing like 5% or 10% on your sales, then you can keep it. Otherwise you can simply uninstall the app. So let me show you how we can implement that. So first what I'm gonna do, I'll pick up any of the product. So I have added on this product. I'm gonna pick a different product this time, which will be, let's take this product for now, lavish footwear, right? Which is $195. Now I'm going to set up discount for this product, and here it says 10% discount, but it's not implemented on this product. So if I click on add to cart, the 2 items, it's not going to add any discount because I haven't added it on this product, right? I'm going to delete this product from here, and you can see it's not adding any discount, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I am simply going to go to apps and then click on BBD Big Bulk Discount, and you can install it really easily. Like just go to this link will be in the description, and just click on install to install the app. Once the app is installed, you will see a screen like this, and once you click on create discount, you will have it showing up like this. And now I'm going to name it volume discount for footwear, right? Volume discount for footwear. Now if someone buys 2, it's gonna get 10% discount. If someone buys 3, it's gonna get 20% discount, and if someone buys 5, it's going to get 30% discount. So that's 30%, not the 50%. So it's the 30%, right? And now I'm going to click on specific product. You can also implement that on specific collection, but I'm going to do that on specific product, which will be our footwear product. So I'm going to go to that footwear product. Here is our product. Going to select that product and then click on add. And once it's added, now let's click on save. And our discount has been created successfully. Now if you go to discounts, you can see that we have this volume discount footwear showing up. And if I click on it, I can also like change that product, or I can also delete this if I want to, right? So now let's test it out if it works. Let's go to that product and hit refresh. Now I'm going to click on add to cart, and now you can see that we have 3 in the cart. Let's first delete that and re-add that. So let's add 2 items and then click on add to cart. You can see that it's adding 10% discount. For 3 items, it's going to add 20% discount. And if I go to 4, it's not changing anything because we haven't set that for adding 4 products. And if I do that 5, you can see that it's now adding 30% discount. Cool, right? And now I'm going to show you how you can add these in order to display which product is giving how much discount, which is very simple. So just go to your theme. I'm going to click on online store and then click on customize. So you can do this for all of your products and for that specific collection as well. But if you want separate discount for every single product, I'm going to suggest you guys to create a new template. What I'm going to do, I'll create a new template for this. So first, let's delete the discount from the global product template. So that's our product template. And here we have this discount showing up, which is showing up on every single product, which we don't want, right? We want to show that only on this footwear product, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this icon with text here. Delete that. Click save. And now I'm going to create a new template. So let's click on this drop down, click on products, click on create template, and I'm going to name this footwear. Okay, now let's click on create template. Okay, our new footwear template has been created. And now I'm going to add our icons. So click on add block and then click on icon with text. And then scroll it up below the pricing. Below the price. Okay, here we have these 3 icons showing up, right? And why it's not showing up below the price? Yep. Okay, so here we have these 3 icons showing up, and I'm gonna change it to vertical. And now I'm going to change the icon to be price tag, so it shows that it's for discount. Price tag. Do the same for the second icon. Do that price tag. And third icon, which will be price tag. Perfect. Now let's add our text. Buy 2, get 10% discount. And similarly, I'm gonna show that for second heading, which will be buy 3, get 20%. And for the third one, I'm going to say buy 5 and get 30% discount. Buy 5 and get 30% discount. Perfect. Now let's click on save. And if I go to that product page now and hit refresh, you can see that it's not showing our icons because we haven't yet applied the template on this product. Now, in order to apply this template to that product, I'm going to go to that product. So click on products and then search for this footwear product. And then scroll down and from template, click on footwear and let's hit save. And now these icons which we added for the discount is going to show only on this product page. Gotta refresh a couple of more times because it takes some time to show up. Preview, so I'm gonna click view here. And why it isn't showing up? Yep, now it's showing up. So it took a little bit of time due to the caching thing, and now you can see that it's showing that buy 2 get 10% discount, buy 3 get 20% discount, buy 5 get 30% discount. That's what it's going to show, right? And in future, I'm going to add this functionality built in. So wherever you will apply the discount, it's going to show this icon or this widget, a cool looking widget automatically. So please support me by installing this app so I can add in more functionality on the store. And if you are new to this channel, I have created a lot of tutorials for free sections. So there are multiple free sections available. I have recently created this video carousel slider, which is completely free. I have multiple other sections which I have created for the viewers of this channel. So make sure to subscribe this channel and let me know in the comments below if you like implementing this volume discount feature on your store. And that's it for the video. Until next video, have a great day.